What's going on, guys? We are inside a customer's favorite floor plan for a brand new manufactured home. This is an excellent open floor plan. It has great curb appeal, great for your friends and family for entertaining. This community is one of the best all-age communities in Southern California. We are just blocks from the Dana Point Harbor. You're gonna love this home, this community. If you're new to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos every week. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. Let's go take a tour of this brand new Silvercrest Summit Series. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, manufactured home. This home has excellent curb appeal. We've added this offset factory-built half-front porch. As you can see, it adds architecture and character to the roof line. You have the offset roof line. It's a great option, especially if you're looking to add curb appeal. We added these option shutters. I love this turquoise or aqua color. Tell us in a comment what color you think this is. Trex is the best option for a long-lasting front porch. All of our porches come with Trex decking. My favorite style home are open floor plans. Open floor plans allow great entertainment for family and friends. They're also great homes to raise your family. This home right here is one of my favorite floor plans, this Silvercrest Summit Series. We have these 9-foot flat ceilings with crown molding. We've also added molding around the windows. Window trim and crown molding, you do have different options for thicknesses and styles. So make sure that you talk to your manufactured housing expert when designing your brand new manufactured home. Another reason I love this home, this is a great wall for entertaining. You can fit a large flat screen TV, an entertainment center, and you can set this room up so you have sofas and chairs that are not blocking the entryway. So if you're watching a movie or a game, you will not be disrupted when people come in and out of your home. We've added these hardwood laminate floors. They are waterproof throughout the entire home. Having the laminate flooring throughout eliminates the defining line you have when you have 2 different styles of flooring. This dining room area is open to the living area. You can easily fit a table with leaves that fits 8 to 12 people. This kitchen island is another favorite of our customers. If you're ordering a brand new manufactured home, you must put in a kitchen island. This kitchen island provides a breakfast bar which you can easily sit 3 people. On this kitchen island, we added this storage cabinets on both ends. It's a great feature. There are different style kitchen islands. On this side, you could even put a wine rack. So for you winos, this could be a perfect kitchen island for you. Silvercrest is known for high quality cabinets. Check this out over here. This is another reason why I love this kitchen island, even more storage. One thing that sets Silvercrest apart from the other manufacturers is their cabinets. All of their homes include a soft closing hinge. If you have kids, you know how valuable these soft closing hinges are. This single cell sink is great. Customers love a single cell sink. It's easier to do the dishes, and especially in this home, these 3 windows, you have a beautiful view of your neighborhood. So this is a great location. It's beautiful. We're down here in Dana Point. We're by the beach. Why would you not want to have a view of your neighborhood? In this home, we chose these stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. Typically, if you're ordering a brand new manufactured home, you're gonna have an option between stainless steel, black appliances, and white. Before I forget, we've added this pantry. Again, more storage, pantry, you can put all your food in here, other things. This home is perfect for your family, or if you're a senior, it's very low maintenance. If you have any comments or questions, leave a comment. We'll have a manufactured housing expert get back to you. As we're walking down to the bedrooms, we have this nice linen closet over here, or coat closet. This utility room is great size. We've also added these overhead utility cabinets, again, the soft closing hinges. As you can see, we've upgraded these handles to a more modern look. You have this flat, almost flat raised panel cabinet door. You can fit this side-by-side washer and dryer. Most of our homes, you could fit a side-by-side washer and dryer. If you'd prefer a stackable washer and dryer, that's not a problem. We could put cabinets going from floor to ceiling on this side, and then you could put stackables. So if you prefer stackables, that's something that we can do. As you walk out, you notice this furnace door. Make sure you option in the furnace door. It makes it much more quiet. We've also added this hallway door. Two options some customers forget. Make sure you ask your manufactured housing expert to option in the furnace door and a utility door. You're gonna thank me later. We're one step closer to the bedrooms, but before we get there, notice these can lights. Another option you can add in the hallways is solar tube lighting. Allows a lot of natural light in the hallways, walk-in closets. If you want to learn more about the best place to put solar tube lighting, make sure you leave a comment. Over here is a guest bathroom where we have a tub shower combo, white quartz countertops, black cabinets. We also have a beautiful bathroom mirror with a black frame. Before we get into the master bedroom, we have these two guest bedrooms. Both of these guest bedrooms can easily fit a queen bed. They are good sized bedrooms, good sized closets. This master bedroom is perfect, especially for those of you who have either rented or stayed by the beach. You know how small these bedrooms can be. This is a great size master bedroom. We have this closet you can option in, mirrored wardrobe doors, opens everything up. Perfect example of how much these 9-foot flat ceilings open up the entire home. If you want, you could go standard cathedral ceilings. Most people option in with the 9-foot flat ceilings. You can even add a coffer to them. This master bathroom is a great example of great use of space. Starting with the shower head, this black sliding glass door, walk-in shower. All the fixtures are black, including the mirror frame. His and her sink, a bank of drawers, and cabinet storage on each end. Again, this bathroom is great use of space. This home, being an open floor plan, limiting the long hallways, is also one way of making great use of square footage. This home does come with a carport, but these homes in this community are selling very quickly. Make sure you contact us immediately, leave a comment. But this home comes with this beautiful carport. We put brand new stained concrete. You could fit a nice storage shed over there. We've also added these vinyl fences. Beechwood Park and Village is a beautiful community to live with you and your family. We're just blocks away from the Dana Point Harbor.